So I've never taken off on dirt. This will be my first one. This place is packed. Normally it's not this packed. So I'm over here in the dirt field. That's why when I'm practicing dirt takeoffs, because I'm using the baseball diamond and everything else. Hopefully everything goes good. It'll be about there. So we're gonna see if this motor and pop combination right off the bat is even gonna work. So far so good. Let's bring it in. Check to see. Oh wow, it doesn't get prettier than that. It does not get fucking prettier than that.